Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're building something iconic, fun, and straight from a galaxy far, far away, the LEGO Star Wars R2-D2 building toy set. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Let's break down the build, the features, and why this is one of the best LEGO Star Wars sets in 2025. Robot emoji, box and first impressions. The packaging alone is exciting, sleek, collector-style design with detailed art of R2-D2 in action. Inside, you get over 1,000 LEGO pieces. An R2-D2 model with movable legs, rotating head, and retractable features. 25th Anniversary LEGO Star Wars commemorative brick. A display plaque with facts about everyone's favorite astromech. A Luke Skywalker minifigure with lightsaber, exclusive to this set. Perfect for both play and display. Brick emoji. The build, fun, challenging, rewarding. Building R2-D2 is a satisfying experience from start to finish. Estimated build time, 4 to 6 hours, depending on age and experience. Intricate internal design with clever mechanisms and hidden compartments. Moving parts include a retractable third leg, rotating dome, and extendable sensors and arms. Clear, step-by-step instructions make it accessible for kids age 10+ and enjoyable for adults. It's equal parts fun and engineering, making this more than just a toy. Sparkles emoji, playability and display features. Kids will love posing, moving, and playing out scenes from the Star Wars universe. Collectors will appreciate the display-ready design, with movie-accurate proportions and detailing. A great centerpiece for Star Wars-themed rooms or LEGO shelves. The commemorative brick and plaque make this a worthy collector's item. It's one of those sets that bridges the gap between playability and collectability perfectly. Present emoji, who is this for? Ages 10 and up, though younger kids can enjoy it with some help. Ideal for Star Wars fans, LEGO lovers, and anyone who enjoys detailed model builds. A fantastic gift idea for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Great for bonding activities between parents and kids, siblings, or solo builds. White check mark emoji. Pros: iconic and detailed R2-D2 design. Moving parts and interactive features. 25th Anniversary commemorative elements. Fun and engaging build experience. Doubles as a display piece and a toy. Cross mark emoji, cons: not motorized or electronic, purely mechanical. Smaller kids may need help with complex parts. Can be a little fragile if handled roughly. Bullseye emoji, final verdict, is it worth it? 100% yes. The LEGO Star Wars R2-D2 set is a must-have for LEGO collectors, Star Wars superfans, and creative builders. It's beautifully designed, full of clever mechanics, and just plain fun to build and show off. Whether you're buying for yourself or gifting someone else, this set delivers on all fronts. Star emoji, 9.5 out of 10, a charming tribute to a legendary droid.